Well, hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install HBO Max on your Roku. Today is official today that HBO Max and Roku came to an agreement, and now they are playing well together, and you can download the HBO app here on your Roku. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is grab your remote control here, and we're going to want to update our Roku. So go down to settings, then go over all the way down to where it says system. Click over again, then go to system update. You'll click OK on that, and then you'll check now. I already updated mine just previously, so my update is all the way, or my software is all the way up to date. So you click OK, then click the home button back on your remote. Let's go back to the home menu. Now we're gonna go down to where it says search, and we're gonna type in HBO Max. Okay, now if you notice on here, HBO Max doesn't really show up here. That this is not an app. That these are like little advertisements. But if you click over, that one says HBO, but go down one, right there where it says HBO here, it's actually HBO Max. And that is where you would then download HBO Max. Go like that, add channel. It'll start adding it on there. And now no more workarounds. You actually have the HBO Max on your home menu, so click home. And then down here at the bottom, right there it is, HBO Max on your Roku stick. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.